Hey, what's up? It's Kevin with Flatline Van Co. I'm going to show you guys today how to install the rear tube step on your Sprinter. Super easy installation. What you'll get is the tube step weldment. Check out those dimples. Good traction on there. 2 brackets. These brackets mount to the factory hitch. Really easy. There's some holes that are already in that hitch. All the hardware that you need, M12, grade 10.9 zinc yellow chromate bolts, right matching nut, washer, and then some 3/8/16 stainless carriage bolts, stainless nuts and washers to go with that as well. Nylocks. The tools you'll need: a 9/16 box wrench. There's one spot that's a little tight that you'll need to get into, and then a 9/16 socket, a 16 mil socket, and then a 19 mil box wrench. So on the stock hitch right here, there's 2 bolts. And you'll grab the bracket piece with the flange out. The flange goes that way. There's really only one way that they can go. Throw your bolt in there, washer, and then a nut. Another washer, another nut, and you'll grab your 16 mil socket and 19 mil wrench. Get these snug. Flip me over. Again, flange goes out, your bolts go through, washers, nylocks on. If you don't have a factory hitch on your van, and you have an aftermarket one, it would likely still work. You're just gonna have to drill holes. But if that's the case, shoot us some photos, reach out to customer service, we'll be able to help out. But potentially it can still work, so. Snug. Next thing we're going to do is grab carriage bolts, nuts and washers, staged out. So we'll go 2 each side. 2 of those, 2 of those, 2 of those. Cool. Get our tools ready. So on this bolt right here, on the farthest one out, on this one, you're gonna wanna take your carriage bolt and put it up through the hole this direction, because when you have your shackles in there, you want clearance. If it runs down, this thing kind of interferes with getting your shackle around there, the ear of the shackle. So on these ones, you're gonna wanna go up. This makes it hard because the fitment of this bracket is kind of tight, so your nut's going to be in there. So on the back ones, you'll go down. So we'll start with those back ones, and we'll just get those on there. So for these ones, you just need your socket, get those snug, and then this guy, again, carriage bolts going up, washer and your nut. And then, definitely makes your life easier if you've got a ratcheting wrench. I'm gonna leave all these a little bit loose right now, and then I'll show you the fitment. Okay. So there's some pill slots in there, but what you want to look at is the snugness to your bumper overall. And then that reveal, I don't know if you're looking at it from the center, super hard to show on camera, but that it's even left to right. I think I need to push this right side in here just a touch. Okay, check that out. Again, probably super hard to see on camera, but once that guy's on, I'll come back, tighten these up. Right on, that's it. Fully bolted up. You got a toe point there. Still have access to your hitch mount and your lights. A little walk around. And it's solid. Right on. Well, I hope that helps, guys. If you have questions, if you've got any issues with your product, or you just feel like reaching out and talking to customer service and asking whatever questions you guys have, we'd love to help. Please don't hesitate to reach out to our team. Right on. Thanks.